Okay, so this video is about how to fix this whistling, that annoying high-pitched noise that you can hear on a Lincoln 180 amp welder, MIG welder. So as you can hear, this is unbearable, this is horrible, and it's coming from vent right here. This is horrible. So one way to fix it that we found, it's gonna be easy and cheap too, it's air freshener. This one is citrus, but it's just your regular air freshener. You can buy any store pretty much. So if you take this and put it at the back right here, now you can still hear fan working, but the hissing, that the high-pitched sound is off, like no more. Okay, now you can hear it. Now you don't hear it. So we're just gonna have to make a bracket, a little bracket, fix it so it stands in place, and done. Because the noise is unbearable. Like if you're welding for more than 5 minutes, like it's horrible. Like imagine welding professionally whole day long with this. Drives you mad. This is $3-4, see? And a couple bucks. Problem fixed. So as you can tell, we end up just gluing this cap on and still holding on, and it made a very big difference, very big difference in reducing noise and that hissing, that awful sound.